The assembly hall is a showcase of disciplined precision, where speed is secondary to quality.
Check the tolerances on the swash plate.
It's within the 0.05 margin now.
Make sure the throw is exactly 20 millimeters.
Reading 19.98.
Perfect. All right, let's lock it down and check for binding. Zero point zero.
Confirmed.
Precision is paramount during the tail drive installation. Technicians meticulously align the shafts and check.
Check the linkage length again with the calipers.
It's exactly 35 millimeters now.
Perfect. Let's lock the neutral position.
Stability is good, vibration within limits.
Okay, cut the power.
Initiating signal degradation.
Levels critical. Fail-safe active.
Restoring power now.
And recovery confirmed.
Temperatures are stabilizing right on target.
Good.
Begin the cooldown sequence.
Check the tension on the main rotor bolts.
Verified. Wiring harness clear.
Alignment looks good. Confirmed.
Okay, I'm moving the Asia Pacific shipment to Tuesday.
Confirmed. We have capacity on the afternoon freight. Everything is confirmed for Route 4B.
Understood. We'll see you at the destination.
Look at the yield rate here, up 3% this quarter.
Excellent. The calibration adjustments are clearly working. So if we reroute the wiring harness around this mount point, it clears the servo arm.
That aligns with the stress analysis feedback.
Agreed. We'll update the workflow documentation.
calibration is critical. Using laser alignment tools, technicians ensure the fixtures are accurate to within 500.
Batch start confirmed.
Measurements are within tolerance. We are good to proceed.
All right, team, the updated targets are on the board. Focus on the calibration sequence for the incoming shift. Let's keep the flow going.
Looks good. All green across the board.
Later, Rebecca.
As you can see here, maintaining the precise torque on these aluminum heads is critical. Refer to the specifications on the screen to
The predictive analysis confirms stable operation.
Adjusting the CNC parameters now.
Noted. The throughput is steady.
The latest data shows a significant improvement in the aluminum inserts.
Yes, the corrective actions on the dimension range seem effective. Let's log this. As you can see, the efficiency gains in green are holding steady.
That puts us well ahead of target for the quarter. As you can see on the main dashboard, the composite layup for the main blades is on schedule for Tuesday.
Looks good. We'll ensure the CNC parts are ready for assembly.
If we implement this optimized scenario, we can utilize the new composite layup station here.
And significantly reduce bottlenecks in calibration.
Monitor the Shanghai dispatch closely. We need to ensure customs clearance by 0800 GMT.
Confirmed.
The checklist is finalized. We are compliant across all categories.
Confirmed. I am digitally archiving the approval now.
Look at the spike in feedback regarding the main rotor calibration.
It seems correlated with the recent firmware update. We need to investigate the error logs.
The revised tail rotor mount significantly reduces vibration,
Tolerances are tight.
but it checks out.
If we shift the layup to Tuesday, we avoid the bottleneck.
That works. The CNC is open for the prototypes.
All right, schedule confirmed. Let's move forward.
We've passed the 2,500 hour mark on this cycle.
Data remains consistent. The thermal stability is excellent.
If we refine the airfoil here, we increase efficiency.
Yes, let's pull that line tighter, see how the flow changes.
That looks much cleaner.
From concept to creation, every detail is scrutinized, resulting in a helicopter that represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence.
The composite layup for the main blades requires precise temperature control during the cure cycle.
Understood. And the stress testing checkpoints?
Those are integrated right after the CNC.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is paramount. Molds are sealed against the elements, meticulously.
And the calibration logs are updated?
Yes, all signed off this morning, Supervisor.
The vibration analysis results look consistent with the specifications.
Yes, and the calibration data confirms the accuracy. We can proceed. The audit is officially closed. Your team addressed all observations swiftly.
We appreciate the recognition. Thank you for a professional and insightful process.
Our commitment to precision engineering is visible in every component, ensuring unparalleled performance and reliability.
Thank you, team. Reaching 365 days without incident while exceeding our Q2 goals is a testament to your precision and dedication.
The integration of advanced CNC machining and composite layup has elevated our production to a state of full confidence.
A transcription is a single line reflecting the most salient spoken words during the 8-second video.